Hey, little red bird. Hey, red bird. Where's red bird? Oh, he's right in there someplace. One. Looks like it might be another one coming someday. Alright. Well, good afternoon. I think it's time to make something again. I got this old army trailer. Had a dump bed on it one time. Anyhow, I took the bed off. Got this trailer. And I got this fifth wheel hitch come out of a pickup truck for a camper. And I'm going to pick it up, turn it around, and put it on the trailer. But I got to put it up about a foot higher. So I got this stuff here, this looks like 4x6 box beam. Got to cut that up in little pieces and make spacers to make that a foot higher. And then I'll have something that I can use. Somehow or another. Yeah, I bought that old semi trailer over at that sale last winter. And I gotta have some way to move it. So I figure I'll put this together and then I'll be able to move it with the tractor. So I guess I better get to work. My baby bird. Well, I made some progress already. Got that piece made into 8 little pieces. Now I gotta do a little grinding on them. And I got that tripod winch thing took off of here. And then I'll have to bring them 8 pieces over and stack them up to put this thing up a foot higher, then weld it all together. Then I can use it. Alright, that's what we got done. Back to work. Alright, I'm about ready to put this thing back together. Last night I took these 8 little pieces and made 4 little pieces out of them. Now I'm going to stack them up there and there and there and there and pick this thing up, turn around and fasten it down. Alright, I better get to busy. I figured to do that. Oh well. Oh boy. Oh well, we'll get to it. think that's about where I want it. And slightly ahead of the axle. It might be a couple inches too tall, but I guess we can jack it up a little higher. Well, anyhow, I guess I'll fasten it down. And then we'll see if it works. Alright. Yeah, I got it just about done. Looks like it might be about 2 or 3 inches too high, but oh, we can handle that, I think. And most places I got some pretty decent welds, and a couple of them I got kind of sloppy looking, but it'll stay together. And I'm going to put a brace from here down to here. I don't know, just for decoration mostly. I'll do that here after a while. Alright, that's what we got done so far. Yeah, I put that brace on there. Probably don't do no good, but it makes it looks like it's extra strength. Now all I gotta do is pump tires up a little bit, then figure out how to hook this thing to a tractor. Because I don't have that kind of hitch on any of my tractors. We'll get that later. Alright, that's enough for now. Yeah, my boy brought that old $175 box trailer. Brought it over here now to me. But I got my cart made to move it with. We backed it up here and hadn't moved it yet. And I don't know why. Didn't think about getting it underneath there before it started sinking down. Anyhow, I'll show you. It's full of junk. I started cleaning it out. I got them air vent things, whatever they are. There's a whole pile of them. And they were brand new. It was in cardboard boxes. I had this crate here stacked way high of empty cardboard boxes I took out and piled to burn. So anyhow, I'll do a little walkthrough here and show you all the goodies I got in this thing. Mostly junk. Brand new junk. Might be good for something. Oh, anyhow. Got a ladder. I guess this looks like a drafting table or some sort. Got some styrofoam and some plywood, some chairs, big office table. I don't know what that thing is. Here's a whole bunch of new things. And I got about 100 of these notebook folders. And some of these boxes are there's a file cabinet of some sort. There's some Quickcrete, sheet of plywood. Some of the boxes are these 2-foot square panels. You gotta you unlock it, and you put it in a wall with your switches and fuses behind it. Anyhow, got that. Got a couple fire extinguishers there. And got a brand new folding up shower seat. Some big zip ties. Oh, some things you put whatever on. An old fax machine. Some tarps. Box of junk here. And all these parts bins are full of all kinds of things. Parts and pieces. I can't hardly see. Nails and screws and oh, there's a whole bunch of them high-priced screw nails or whatever they are. And I got a high estate hat. There's all kinds of door closers and different things like that. And who knows? There's a big pipe fitting. Oh, there's a great big manhole cover for drain. Got some conduit clamps. There, a whole 5-gallon bucket full of eye bolts. Some joist hangers. A bunch more door closers. Non-yellowing acrylic concrete sealer. Whatever that is. There, more of them big screw nails, or whatever they are, and more. There's a great big fire hose, more fire extinguishers, more door closers. Oh, I don't know. Some big reels of some sort. One, 3 or 4 of them. I don't know whether it's fire hose reels or what they are. And there's a pump up sprayer. Oh, anyhow, I don't know what I'm walking on here. There's a bunch of wire. There's a bunch of them stakes that you, when you're pouring a foundation, you put your strings on. A whole big pile of all thread rod there, 10-foot long pieces. Might be good for something. Oh, anyhow, I gotta clean out this, so I'm putting my junk in here. Oh, I've got a pick and a little rake of some sort. All right. I better get to work. Oh, I got blue tarp. Wonder if that's big enough to cover my old barn. Probably not. Yeah, I made some headway today. Took that basket, filled it twice, heaping full way up, about double full of cardboard boxes that all that stuff was in. And I guess that'll make good scrap iron. I saved a couple of them in case they're good for something. And found a chair to sit on. This box right here is all full of office supplies. And that one. And what else? I got most of that big stuff out of there. Then I got nails and nails and nails. Big ones, little ones, all kinds. And a couple big lights. And, oh, I don't know what this is. It's a stainless steel box. I suppose it goes in a industrial restroom or something. Ought to be good for something. This is a brand new stainless steel soap dispenser. And here's a brand new toilet paper hanger. That'll look pretty in the house. Put a little class. Alright, anyhow. That's what I got done today. Plus mowed the yard. Alright. That's enough. Well, here's something I throwed out. Monstrous great big copy machine. I doubt if it was any good compared to the new ones. But, oh well.